Mr. Sorry, Seneta Malala. Sorry, Senator Malala. The office of the DCI. Why is in the DCI here this morning? In person. Why is he not here?
Chair, can I? The invitation of my appearance here was directed to me as a person, and it was more on the issue of security. It did not specify that DCI was part of the sermon for this discussion. That's the reason I did not bring DCI with me here. I brought the DIG, APS, who deals with the VIP security. It is not deliberate that DCI is not here, because the invitation which was touching this discussion was more on VIP protection, which is under DIG APS, Mr. Nur Gabo. And that's the person I thought to accompany me so that we could discuss the issue of the VIP protection. That's the reason DCI is not here. But if it's